Hello, you are welcome to solve this math problem. X plus y is equal to 40, xy is equal to 88. Solution. X plus y is equal to 40. Let us call this equation 1. Xy is equal to 88. Let us call this equation 2. From equation 1, x plus y is equal to 40. Y is equal to 40 minus s. Let us call this equation 3. Then from equation 2, sy is equal to 88. Let us substitute for y here, which is 40 minus s. We have s bracket 40 minus s is equal to 88. Let us open the bracket. S multiplied by 40. This is 40x minus s multiplied by x. S square is equal to 88. Now let's rewrite this in this form. Minus s square plus 40x minus 88 is equal to 0. Now let us divide the whole of this equation by negative 1. If you divide negative s square by negative 1, we have s square plus 40x divided by negative 1. This is minus 40x. Negative 88 divided by negative 1. This is plus 88 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Let us solve this using quadratic general formula. From quadratic general formula, s is equal to negative b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. And from this equation, a is equal to 1, b is equal to negative 40, c is equal to 88. S is equal to minus bracket minus 40 bracket plus or minus square root of minus 40 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 88 over 2 multiplied by 1. S is equal to minus times minus 40, that is 40 plus or minus square root of minus 40 square, that is 1600, minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 88, that is 352, over 2 multiplied by 1, 2. S is equal to 40 plus or minus square root of, we have 1600 minus 352, that is 1248 over 2. But square root of 1248 is equal to square root of 16 multiplied by 78. So we have S is equal to 40 plus or minus square root of 16 multiplied by 78, then over 2. And this is same thing as 40 plus or minus square root of 16, that is 4, then multiplied by root 78 over 2. Therefore, x1 is equal to 40 plus 4 root 78 over 2, and s2 is equal to 40 minus 4 root 78 over 2. Then 2 here 1, 2 here 20, 2 here 2, 2 here 1, 2 here 20, 2 here 2. x1 is equal to 20 plus 2 root 78. This is the value of s1. And then s2 is equal to 20 minus 2 root 78. This is the value of s2. We've gotten the value of s1 and s2. Let us solve for y1 and y2. Then from equation 3, y is equal to 40 minus x. Now y1 is equal to 40 minus s1 is 20 plus 2 root 78 bracket. Here y1 is equal to 40 minus, if you open the bracket with this negative, that is 20 minus 2 root 78. y1 is equal to 40 minus 20. This is 20 minus 2 root 78. This is the value of y1. And then y2 is equal to 40 minus s2. Then y2 is equal to 40 minus bracket 20 minus 2 root 78. y2 is equal to 40 minus 20 plus 2 root 78. y2 is equal to 20 plus 2 root 78. This is the value of y2. Therefore, our final answer are s1, y1 is equal to 20 plus 2 root 78, 20 minus 2 root 78. Then s2, y2, this is equal to 20 minus 2 root 78, 20 plus 2 root 78. These are the values of s and y. Then from here, you can see that the value of s1 here is equal to the value of y2a, and the value of y1 here is equal to the value of s2 here.